Many struggle with iCloud when transferring data between accounts. Since iCloud doesn't support merging or easy downloads across Apple IDs, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to transfer everything from one iCloud account to another effortlessly. Way 1. How to transfer iCloud data to new iCloud account on iPhone. Sign into iCloud. A. Turn off contacts in iCloud and select Keep on my iPhone. Log into iCloud. B. Enable contacts and choose Merge. Way 2. Change iCloud account without losing data via iCloud Web. Log into iCloud.com with account A. Download selected data. Log in with account B. Upload the files. Way 3. How to transfer iCloud to new iCloud manually. Step 1. Backup your iCloud data. Open Settings on your old device and tap your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud and tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. Step 2. Sign out. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, and sign out. Enter your password, choose to keep data optional, and confirm. Step 3. Sign in. In Settings, tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter your new Apple ID and password. Step 4. Restore iCloud Backup. In Settings, tap your Apple ID iCloud Backup. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter your password and select a backup. Wait for the restore to complete. Bonus: how to transfer data from one iPhone to another directly. If you want to transfer data directly between two iPhones, the easiest way is to use a third-party tool like Mobican Transfer for mobile. This tool allows seamless data transfer between two iOS devices. Step 1. Connect iPhones. Launch the transfer program and connect both iPhones to your computer with USB cables. Step 2. Set source and target. Set the old iPhone as the source and the new iPhone as the target. Click Flip if needed. Step 3. Transfer data. Select file types and click Start Copy to transfer.